Alright guys, what is up? Black Friday sale is live officially on the site. And we have some new merch. As you can see, we have snapback fitted, like the buckle there. I've never done a hat like this. I've always done dad hats. We have 3 different mystery boxes. We have a $25 mystery box valued at over $40. A $35 mystery box valued at over $60. All of the products that you see on the site will be in the mystery box. With that being said, check out the site down below in the description. I appreciate your guys' support. Have a happy Thanksgiving. I could title this video, Stealing All of Jimmy's tie back parts. Alright guys, what is up? So late night at the shop. How's that look? Huh? This is such a nightmare. Look at this stuff. I've literally been scraping it with a razor blade like this. We thought it was gonna peel off. Yeah, we thought it was gonna peel off. So nice, heated up. One strip. Needs defrosters anymore. Is the prep all working? Yeah, it is, I think. It does take some of it off. Razor the rest of it and prep all it. Easier said than done, but it's not that bad. You'll get that on these jobs. We don't need defrosters anymore. Luxury vehicle. Such a mess. Such a mess. Can we stop painting our trim all crazy colors? This was completely red. It still is a little bit. This is the only piece they scuffed. These were red. This was red. Red. Thing was red, as you guys saw. That's red, but it's cracked, so it's garbage. No tabs on the back. That's trash. Vent destroyed. Those are gonna suck. I need to find an ignition. See, I took it out. This one's buckled. As you can see, it snowed back there. That was from me scraping it off with a razor. Every piece, the whole tint didn't peel at all. I had to scrape it off with a razor completely. Everyone was DMing me saying, here goes your defroster. I guess no defroster anymore. Oh well. The tint wouldn't come off any other way. A lot of people told me to try a lot of stuff. I tried everything. Toothpaste, nothing worked. Razored it all off, including the defrosters. Still some adhesive on it from the tint, but I'll get to that. I still have to do the rear windows, and those are gonna suck just as well. My good friend Eddie has some pretty cool parts that is gonna transform this thing like that. So he's bringing some stuff by that I hope we can make a deal on. They're expensive parts. Almost a fraction of what I paid for the car. Just for one piece. I need it. It's the route I want to go with this car, and it kind of deserves it now that I slept on it a few days. So you guys will see that momentarily. Now, I got to take off the door cards because I have to take the red off of the door card. With the plastic still in it? That's crazy. That's interesting for a 240. New speakers. We got the Sonys in this one. Yep, no more red. I wasn't stripping it, so Aunt just recommended I scuffed it and just trim blacked it. But there's tint everywhere still on these windows, the rear hatch windows. You'll get lucky. It's taking the glue, leaving the glue. Get a fat deal. That tent is so shit. Covered. Gotta do the back windows, which is gonna suck because all this trim is on it. But it'll be good to get all this tint off since the doors are done. Rear hatch carpet. Rip the panels off and then the windows are tight. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. You know how to take those out? I'll take it. That's a good piece to have. That would suck to.
Pop right out too,
Huh?
huh? That popped out.
Love that.
They kind of stink.
I'll shampoo it. I'll wash it. Oh shit, Eddie. What is this?
What you want to see?
Oh my god. Are you teasing me, Eddie?
I'm teasing you.
Don't tease me. That would look crazy on there. So Eddie, backstory, he has a coupe, Type X, parts on it, and he is doing something along the lines of this right here, correct?
Correct.
Why are you cleaning the paint up? Cleaning it for Eddie?
Down, yeah.
Nice. You're a good friend. So these go on the fenders. I'm new to this. These go there. No, there's so many pieces to these things. I don't even know what I'm looking at. The vents, it has the fogs, and it has the turn signal. So it looks like you're just missing the bracketry. And for the lip.
This is a replica. This is by Djnoway. You can't find them anymore. OEM. I've seen them listed for like $2 grand
No way.
for just the lip, but again, I don't know the market on them too much.
Are they under the influence when they make the post?
Probably.
Gotta talk to Eddie. Alright, well I guess the deal is done. These things are expensive. The price of like the lights, the side pieces, the lip is cheap. It's a replica. So the only thing that I do need for it is the bracket, but that's not gonna stop me from trying to mount it up. That's a good start. And now, if anyone has a Type X wing, you know, let me know. That's not $1,000. Are we gonna get lucky?
I think so. I don't know if, is tape supposed to come off in one piece?
Yeah.
Does that mean they did it right?
It's mean the sun probably didn't hit it that. I don't know. Tint guys, tap in. That's okay. Oh, that
is technically the whole piece besides the glue.
down there is gonna
Partially
suck.
glue.
Take all this shit off. That's the last little bit of tint left on her. Windows had the tint minus the windshield. Definitely looks a lot better instead of that blue purple faded tint. Patch was definitely the worst part. There's still some adhesive on it, but my buddy Peter told me a little solution to take that off to deal with that. But we're not putting these seatbelts back in it. These things are a hazard. Look at that. That is a hazard if I ever seen one. Keep them though, just in case.
Stick it.
Who goes?
Bumper.
Who goes there?
Read that fucking bumper.
Nissan sent it to me.
Answer the question.
Show them the bracket, Ant. You just put it in.
There you go.
All right.
There's the bracket.
So this is the bracketry that
There's
this
the part number.
bumper requires. There's a lot of brackets when it comes to this bumper, which is very stupid. Because you get that, you don't need no brackets. This, we'll see. No brackets. You don't need. Not like this.
It's shit on cars now. What the hell?
That's why I like these cars, because there's not a bunch of little brackets. To take a bumper off, a zip tie 2 and 2 10 mils. You got the whole front end off. And then over here, this is a jewel. This is a gem. I gotta clean it. That's what that is. I could title this video, stealing all of Jimmy's Type X parts for my 180. That might happen, but tonight I want to put the bumper on and I want to put the wing on, and I'll be very happy.
Hot road kit.
He did mention that.
And he has some skirts and
Yeah,
That would be a kit that would be nice for this car, but you're not getting it.
that would be.
Brian's got his car.
It's nice. It's a nice kit.
I can't take that away from Brian. So we're gonna need another option.
If anything else really holds this on.
All right, time to take the old bumper off. Put the new one on. Shout out Tommy for not putting in every bolt. Previous owner, I don't know. It's roached. Solid bumper though, it is in great shape. Doubt it, change everything else. Out with the old, let's see if this fits. Imagine. Ew. Shout out to Ed. These fender guides were on the fenders that he sold me. So these will definitely help a lot with the alignment of the bumper and everything on the front end. All right, so this piece, this is a treasure, a real treasure. We're gonna see it on this dusted hatch.
If it even mounts, fits.
James doesn't know we stole this. Yep, it don't fit. Son of a bitch.
Damn, the holes are very different.
Oh my god, not even one hole lines up.
That don't shut that hatch?
Yeah, it does, but
Shut
then
that.
I can't open it.
Why? Why
I
can't
mean,
you open
by
it?
myself.
It looks so dumb right now.
Why? Because it's blue.
'Cause it's blue and it's...
Red, white, and blue. So we're gonna have to drill holes for this wing right here, and then close all the rest of them. Leave no holes line up. Not one.
All these holes, not one lines up.
This must not have had a Type X wing on it, but this is the wing. Leave that right there. That's poor. But anyways, we're gonna take this bumper off here. You shut the hood.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna take that bumper off and put the Type X bumper on here right now, and the car is gonna transform. So let's do that. Some customization is required.
Ah. How the fuck is the grab? That's the size of a 10 mil?
Let's throw this bumper on now. We got these. What are they? Bumper alignment.
Bumper sag things.
Bumper sag
You're probably
thing.
not supposed to use them for this. You can use them for anything. Who's to tell you not to? But they're really for Aero kits. Aftermarket bumper.
But they work for these, supposedly.
This car's got to stop moving or losing.
There's a little boat out over here. So many pieces to this. I hate that this kit has so many pieces. I mean, it looks pretty damn good, I will say. Can't really get a full look of it. I can't like stand back 'cause there's not enough room. There's just shit everywhere. But let's try to mount this thing properly and then we can admire it.
This doesn't fit in there.
This
The
doesn't?
socket doesn't fit in there. Look, it's two.
Huh?
Factory, it's triangle 3. I'll throw that wire in there and save that for later.
Clears over ambers, depending on the car.
That gap is kind of...
Dude, there's nothing holding, no brackets to tighten it. If those tabs were in there for the side brackets and they went through and you tightened them, it would be so mint. You need the side brackets. That's why they sell them. Yeah, you can get away with it. I'm sure you could put like a through bolt through it, zip ties. Already put the clears on her. Good even line between the hood and the bumper. Brian will talk a lot of shit about it, but this is testing. We might need to take the foam out. That might be what's screwing us pretty much.
Probably. I wouldn't be surprised.
I feel so ill. I literally have to go home. But door cords are back on. No more red. I mean, ignore this right here. That has to be a DIY project. These aren't in terrible shape. Now that none of this is red. And overall, it's in great shape. But I would say that this is definitely a huge step for the car compared to this one right here. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I should do next, that I should do with the car. The goal is get the car running pretty good, get it mechanically operating, alignment, and then do the 5-lug. We're gonna look into that in the next one. I do have a few parts and I have to order some stuff. Unfortunately, this is not my wing. This is James's. Goes something like that. Be cool to do, but they're just too expensive, so I don't know if that's the route that I'm gonna go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely stay tuned. leave some input down below. And yeah, check the links out down below. It's a little tweaking, as you can see, but slowly deleting the red. Gotta get a carpet, etc. No more tint. Clear glass, as it should be. Very stoked on this one. It should be fun. Good, cheap, budget build. Alright guys, what is up? So, before I end this video, Black Friday sale is live officially on the site. And we have some new merch. As you can see, we have snapback fitted, like the buckle there. I've never done a hat like this. I've always done dad hats. We have 3 different mystery boxes. We have a $25 mystery box valued at over $40. A $35 mystery box valued at over $60. All of the products that you see on the site will be in the mystery box. With that being said, check out the site down below in the description. I appreciate your guys' support. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.